years of flying, folks, praying that I'd get to see something like this. You don't see this every day. They're going around the moon. I flew down to Florida